Yeah, pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah, pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah, pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah, pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah, pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah, pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah, pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah, pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah, pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah, pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa,
Yeah. Pass it no me. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo, tayo'y magkaisa. Sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pass it no me. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo, tayo'y magkaisa. Sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pass it no me. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo, tayo'y magkaisa. Sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pass it no me. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo, tayo'y magkaisa. Sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pass it no me. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo, tayo'y magkaisa. Sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pass it no me. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo, tayo'y magkaisa. Sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pass it no me. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo, tayo'y magkaisa. Sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pass it no me. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo, tayo'y magkaisa. Sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pass it no me. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo, tayo'y magkaisa. Sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pass it no me. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo, tayo'y magkaisa.
nome.
Let's go. Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasid nome.
Let's go. Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasid nome.
Let's go. Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasid nome.
Let's go. Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasid nome.
Let's go. Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasid nome.
Let's go. Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasid nome.
Let's go. Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasid nome.
Let's go. Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasid nome.
Let's go. Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa tagumpay sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasid nome.
Let's go. Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa, sa
Yeah. Pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa sa tagumpay, sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo.
Yeah. Pasinome. Let's go.
Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkaisa
Pasinome.
Let's go. Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan, pangarap na wagas. Ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga.
Betterment of others. Intervention. With gratitude, we offer this prayer in worthy
sa mga kaibigan nating media and lalo na sa mga taga-suporta natin ng SLA. Welcome po sa Junior World Showcase Press Conference. Bibigyan ko lang po kayo ng konting background ng Junior World Showcase. Noong 2024, nanggaling po kami sa Pampanga with 24 teams, including US, Canada, UAE, and Philippines. And 2025 po, very successful run ng mga kabataan sa Cagayan de Oro with 34 teams. Ngayon, sa Queen City of the South, Cebu, teams mula sa US, Canada, UAE, Dubai, Australia, Europe, and ano ba? And Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Yun. Ang mga participating teams ng Junior World Showcase is 13 under, born 2013. Here as follows: New York United, Roses Basketball UAE, God's Gift Mountain Resort Davao, Familia DC, Tumakbo United, Junior Hoopsters. Under 15, born 2011, New York United, Last Shot Dubai, Home Court Basketball Academy UAE, Gilas Montreal, Canada East, Clifton Tigers, Familia DC, Tumakbo United, Roses Basketball UAE. Under 17 under, born 2009, Last Shot Dubai, New York United, Home Court Basketball Academy, UAE, Clifton Tigers, Familia DC, New Jersey Husay, Gilas Montreal Basketball, Canada East, Pampanga Delta, Roses Basketball, UAE, Coach K Basketball, ex Montebello, Villa Hotel, Tropang Australia, Purpose Academy. Under 19, born 2007, J Project Boomers, USTX, The General, Last Shot Dubai, Bayanihan Elite United Kingdom, Familia DC, FIBA Virginia, New Jersey Husay, Tumakbo United, Mighty David, Pampanga Delta, Phenom, Coach K Basketball, ex Montebello, Villa Hotel. And born 2003, 23 under, New York Ascend, Rad Cebu, WLC Mustangs or MOC, The Generals Manila, Phenom, Familia DC. And mula po, nagpapasalamat kami sa inyo sa walang salang pagsuporta. Mabuhay po tayo. God bless.
Thank you so much for that, Deputy Commissioner File. And I know everybody is very much excited to be part of the Sinag Liga Asia family, but to give us a better and visual representation of what SLA Junior World Showcase truly is, let us please all direct our attention to the screen and witness the first teaser video. Okay, thank you so much for that. And you know, to move and get into the highlights of today's program and to formally announce the 2026 SLA Junior World Showcase, let's all please give a round of applause to our SLA chairman, Mr. Rocky Chan, to explain further what the league is all about. A round of applause, please.
Hi, good morning, maayong buntag everyone, to all our media partners, local media partners. we thank you for, gracing this occasion. Actually, we didn't expect quite a number of people around. But of course, also, daghang kayong salamat sa pag-ani. And also, before I proceed to all the details about the junior world and to give you a glimpse of what's upcoming in Cebu, I also like to thank all the partners that we have, from our national partners down to our local partners. So as you see, we're quite a number of people around with us. And also, would like to thank former councilor, former Vice Mayor Don Ontiveros, who's around to represent Senator Bongo. And also, let me also like to thank, of course, our official home for the Junior World Showcase, Three Woods Residentes, who is the presenter for today's press conference. And also have with us Sir TJ of Cebu Coliseum, representing Attorney Augusto Go. And of course, Miss Jody Tiangco of Fresco, Dried Mango. And our long-time partners, of course, Mr. Andrew Chuachoy of Sun Sports, our official basketball for SLA for the past 3 years. Thank you, sir. And him, of course, a proud Cebuano, and we're also very proud. And Coach Jeff Codera, who all we know is the skills training coach of the Golden State Warriors, of course. And Sir Phil of Unisol, our official merchandise partner. And also would like to thank, won't be able to join us, Sir June Linogon of J Project Clothings. So with that, would also like to thank our other partners like Converge. Anyway, yeah, SLA Junior World Showcase will be happening here in Cebu on July 1 to 5, 2026. So like what our Deputy Commissioner, and I'm officially announcing it today also, he will be the official tournament director for the Junior World Showcase 2026. So it will be the Junior World Showcase started 2024 in Luzon, in Pampanga. So we have 24 teams from UAE, USA, Canada, and the Philippines. So come 2025, we did it in Mindanao. We traveled all the way to Mindanao, all the teams. We got 35 teams. Again, it was USA, Canada, UAE, and the Philippines. And Philippines is well represented, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. So when we were in Mindanao, just to give you an idea, we have, it's been hosted by Mayor Clarex Uy of the city government of Cagayan de Oro. We got majority of the Philippine teams coming from Mindanao. So we didn't expect as far as Zamboanga del Sur, Zamboanga del Norte, all the way to Tagum, Davao. So and then I think 4 or 5, based on the categories that we have, all Mindanao teams was able to enter the finals against those international teams. So coming this 2026, actually before we left for Cebu, before we left for Cagayan de Oro, there are already commitments from the team. Then they were very excited to come to Visayas. And it was well agreed that, we come back to where grassroots program started in Visayas and Mindanao. It's Cebu, So we made all the preparations. Actually, I've been talking to Three Woods, to Cebu Coliseums since last year. So we're just so happy to make this happen. So this year, as of today, we have only 4 slots remaining out of the 50 slots that we'll be holding. So this is just a 5-day tournament, and we're playing in probably 4 to 5 venues. I'm officially announcing that the opening ceremony will be at the historic Cebu Coliseum, and we're expecting around 50 teams coming. And this is not only players, but we're expecting more than 1,000 delegates coming over. And we are not only promoting sports and not only basketball, but we are promoting, together with the Department of Tourism, sports tourism. This is bihira man gud makasabot ang kadaghanan sa tuwa about how the importance of sports tourism is. So majority of these teams coming from the US, Canada, UAE, are balikbayans. Because those categories that was mentioned earlier must be by Filipino by blood. Okay? And then we have a new team from Europe. We have from UK, and then Australia will also be represented. So we hope that there are quite a number of Cebu teams coming over to join. And then, but we have a couple already to join. And other things, yeah. So we'll be opening at Cebu Coliseum. Hello. The rest of the venue will have our official venue also here at Magnum Sports Complex. Would like to thank Ma'am Rochelle Campo, who's also been talking since last year. Okay lang. And also we have also finalized it with Mayor Wano of Mandaue. So they're gonna have some renovation at the Mandaue Sports Complex. So those are the venues, and probably we'll working on Sawang Calero, but they're doing some renovations because we know the crowd medyo exciting po, so that international teams gets to to see how basketball is played here in Cebu, how exciting is it. So those are the official venues that we have, but the opening will be at the Historic Cebu Coliseum on July 1. So yeah, further later siguro you can ask more questions about it, but again, daghang kayong salamat sa inyong paghanhi, and we'll proceed to the next. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Chairman Chan. And everybody is truly excited, especially that it is held here in Cebu. And also, this type of event wouldn't really be possible without the help of the government and private sectors. Now, we would like to hear a few messages from our partnered institutions, starting, as we call on, the representative of the local government unit of Cebu, Mr. Rocky Alcoseba. Okay, now, let's just proceed. Let's hear a few messages from the Department of Tourism Regional Office, Ms. Zarina C. Morandarte and Nabe. A round of applause, please.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of our Department of Tourism Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco and our DOT Central Visayas OIC Regional Director Jelena Inasis Dimpas, it is a blessed day to be here with all of you. The Department of Tourism is proud to declare its full and unwavering support for Sinag Liga Asia 2026. This is more than just a basketball tournament. It is a strategic platform. With this event, we are leveraging the global passion for the game to drive international arrivals and showcase the excellence of our regions to the world stage. Under our Love the Philippines campaign, the DOT is intentionally pivoting toward high-impact niche markets. We believe that Sinag Liga Asia 2026 represents the perfect synergy between athletic competition and world-class travel. We aren't just hosting a series of games. We are inviting the world to experience the legendary heart of Filipino hospitality. To the organizers, Sinag Asia Sports Management and Promotions Corporation, our office will continue to coordinate closely with you. We are committed to ensuring that every aspect of this event, from the moment the teams land to the final buzzer, reflects the very best of our country. Our goal is simple. With these young athletes eventually return home to their respective countries, they won't just remember the points they scored on the scoreboard. They will remember the warmth of our people, the richness of our culture, and the breathtaking beauty of our islands. That is the lasting power of sports tourism. Thank you. Congratulations to the organizers and God bless us all.
Thank you so much for that, Miss Zarina. And last, for our message of support, we would also like to give a round of applause to the iconic marketing group president, Miss Anita Lopez, to give a few message. A round of applause, please.
Ladies and gentlemen of the press, distinguished guests, partners, and friends of Sinag Liga Asia, good morning. Sinag Liga Asia was founded on the simple belief that every young Filipino athlete deserves a platform to shine. But simple beliefs, when backed by relentless efforts, have a way of becoming something more. From that belief, Sinag Liga Asia built tournaments, they built leagues, they built communities. From Pampanga to Cagayan, and soon to Cebu, they have demonstrated the power of sports to unite, to inspire, and to transform. The journey of Sinag Liga Asia has not been without challenges. Thanks to the founders' unwavering dedication, SLA has emerged stronger, its purpose clearer, the impact deeper, and the light shining more brightly than ever before. From grassroots community leagues to internationally televised showcase, Sinag Liga Asia has become the premier gateway for international youth basketball competition. But as Sinag Liga Asia grew, its founders recognized the landscape is shifting. Athletes today need more than just competitions. They need platforms that extend beyond the court, into media, into digital spaces, into the consciousness of a global audience. Brands too are looking for something different. They no longer want just placements of their logo. They want authentic connections. They want to be part of stories that matter. This was a light bulb moment for Sinag Liga Asia. They thought that if they can build championship leagues, then they can also build championship brands. And with this, Sinag Liga Asia has commissioned Iconic Global as its exclusive marketing and events partner. We will strengthen SLA's brand presence. We will build the marketing infrastructure that allows SLA's work to reach its full potential. In short, SLA builds the stage, we help fill the seats, shine the lights, and make sure that the world is watching. Our goal is simple but profound: to take everything Sinag Liga Asia has built, the credibility, the community, the understanding of what makes a moment truly special, and amplify it, to tell their stories, to build their brands, to ensure that every young athlete who steps onto an SLA court does so under lights that shine as brightly as their dreams. Building something lasting is never easy, but we are encouraged by what has already been built, and we are energized by the possibilities that lie ahead. To Sinag Liga Asia, thank you for your trust. We are honored to be part of your journey. To everyone here today, we invite you to join us. Together, we can build something remarkable. With Sinag Liga Asia at the helm, you need only to sit back, relax, and watch the world play. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that, Miss Annette Lopez. And next, for our speaker, we would also like to give the floor to Cons Dondon Hontiveros to give a few words as he is representing Senator Bongo. A round of applause, please.
Few words lang talaga, ma'am. Magandang umaga sa lahat. Mayong buntag sa tanan. On behalf of the office of Senator Bongo, before I really share the message, I just want to share something. Of course, my friends from the media, we all know 2 or 3 years ago regarding Palaro, one of the visions that Mayor Mike Rama and I is for us to bid for the National Academy of Sports. Para lang sa information ng lahat, it's a law authored by Senator Bongo, and the first establishment was in Clark. The reason of the National Academy for Sports, yung athletes natin from the Visayas, they don't have to go there and study there trained there, provided by the government. It's authored by Senator Bongo. Kami, during the palaro or leading to palaro, humingi po kami ng budget for us to establish another building intended for those athletes natin na 12 to 14 years old na they don't have to go to Clark. They will be provided, they will be trained, and they will study here. And they also represent part ng palaro. But then again, we bid, hindi natuloy yung building. Obviously, we lost. Ay, live pala to, sorry. So it went to another city. Diba? So hindi napunta sa Cebu. Na-mention din sa representative ng tourism natin, yun yung gusto talaga natin. Cebu City, pasensya na, I always say this. When I was still playing in the PBA, mga PhilAms, mga import, they would ask me, Don, where are you from? I would say Cebu, the supposed to be capital of the Philippines. And we all know that, di ba? Dito naman talaga nag-start. And to have, pasensya, bias ha, UC, Cebu Coliseum, Magnum, and the residents, parang represented ba? So ako came from the same school, and also I have friends here. So it's just right that Senator Bongo always support this kind of event. And again, through the Philippine Sports Commission, from the office of Senator Bongo, he would always find ways to promote education in sport because yun nga, nag-author siya sa National Academy of Sports, and this one is provided a venue para din makabisita yung mga players natin from other countries. So I hope nalaman nyo na Senator Bongo is doing that not only sa social services but also sports. Nasimulan na niya, sayang lang hindi kami nabid at hindi kami nanalo because hindi natuloy yung building na pinopropose ni Mayor Mike. So that's it. Thank you, and thank you for having us.
Thank you so much for that, Sir Don. We really appreciate everything that you've helped here sa Sinagliga Asia. And now, let's give the floor once again to the chairman, Mr. Rocky Chan, to give acknowledgement to the sponsors present today.
Yeah. And thank you, Councilor Dondon, to the office of Senator Bongo for gracing the occasion. And again, ulitin ko, Senator Bongo has been supporting SLA since we started the league. And then the Junior World Showcase has his full trust on how we run the program since 2024. So and you know, for his full support. Before anything else, before we go to the other part of the program, probably we can also hear a short word, especially these are the people of these are our partners who have been very, very supportive for us. Probably just a short message. And so what excites me about is all of these are, you know, Cebuano. And all our products that we bring, especially our official ball, you know, it's proudly Filipino made. So that excites us more. So probably a short message for our new partner, Fresco, Miss Jody Anko, just a short message.
Hello, on behalf of Fresco Cebu, we are happy to support Sinag Asia. We hope the very best for the teams who are competing this July, and we are very happy to support this event. Thank you.
Yeah. Just to let you know, Fresco will be our official pasalubong partners, especially for our Balikbayans. So, thank you, ma'am. And now, I'll go on with to represent Attorney Augusto Go and to be our official venue, Cebu Coliseum Magnum Sports, and our official resident, Three Woods Hotel. I'd like to introduce Mr. TJ.
Good morning. And Cebu Coliseum, I would like to congratulate SLA for this wonderful event, which opens a lot of opportunities now for our kids and our country, our tourism. Cebu Coliseum is here for you, and then we are all ready to support you in your events. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, on my right side, of course, like what I said earlier, is when we started the league, and he has full trust in the league and confidence, and he has been our partner for the past 3 years, Mr. Andrew Chuachoy of Sunsport.
Good morning, tanan. Bisaya lang ko, ha? Okay na. I've been with Sinag Liga for 3 years now. I've seen their group grow, and the league has grown tremendously. All I can say is let us support the people behind SLA, Sinag Liga, and also let us support our local product, Sunsport. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, and then, yeah, a short message. Of course, proud Cebuano, a skills coach, trainer, Coach Jeff Codera.
Good morning, everyone. We are so grateful na naani siya nga liga kay mugro ang youth sports diri sa province, especially sa Cebu, and hopefully daghan pagmatabangan ang Sinag Liga siya. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach Jeff. And yeah, he's been our partner also for quite a while. Our official merchandise representing Unisol, Phil.
Mayong buntag sa tanan. Good morning, everyone. We are very fortunate to be associated with Sir Rocky and his advocacy, which is to grow grassroots in sports and development. I echo my CEO and founder, Jonas Kilantang, that we also support grassroots and development. Thank you and good morning.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Thank you so much for that, dear sponsors and guests. Now, to get more glimpse of what this year is going to show us, especially with SLA, let's all direct our attention once again to our screen to witness the second teaser video. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for that. Events logo and tournament identity, may we invite our SLA officials, IMG representatives, LGU, and DOT partners, as well as our sponsors to please come forward for the ceremonial moment. Okay, now we are going to be showing you the logo for our SLA Junior World Showcase. Okay, so that's our official logo. Let's give a round of applause. Now we are going to be opening the floor for the questions from our media partners. During this open forum, please proceed to the mic on the center. Please state your name as well as your media affiliation and media outlets. So to start, who wants to give the first question to our table?
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Glendale Rosal. I'm sports writer of the CDN Digital. This is for Sir Rocky. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, for you as a basketball tournament organizer and commissioner for a long time, how important is this for Cebu's basketball scene, considering that Cebu is a hotbed when it comes to basketball? Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Actually, if you look at things when we started 2024, this Junior World, we started in Luzon, in Pampanga, which is now, you know, basketball fanatic din talaga. And then, gilaktawan namo ang Visayas last year. We proceed to Mindanao. We have it in Cagayan de Oro. Because we want to yung 3-year program namin, na ayusin ang Junior World Showcase, we want it to have it in Cebu and Visayas. Because as we all know, I'm very familiar because I'm from Cagayan de Oro, and like Sir Glenn was telling us that I've been with grassroots or regional basketball for quite a while. So it familiarized me of how exciting the people here. The time, I think, when we had it with the other league, and Councilor Dondon was there. We have the jump pack Sawang Calero for the, you know, Pampanga versus Cebu tournament. That was really, you know, that's where I saw Governor Delta was crying the first time, Delta Pineda. But, you know, Cebu, because we know how basketball people is from Cebu, and they miss this kind of tournaments here in Cebu. So we're very excited, even our international teams. And just to let you know, coaching for some of the US team are from Cebu. Like New York, I think, Coach Ruel Gomez is coming back. And then for Clifton Tigers, it's Coach Dale Singson. They'll be excited. They're very, very excited to come. They're putting up teams in all categories. Almost 13, 15, 17, 19 under. So, what's exciting also about the tournament, the 23 under, it's an open tournament. The 23 under. So, kahit non-Filipinos are joining the tournament. It's a showcase division. So, it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be exciting. So, this is a big significance into our direction of, you know, providing equal opportunity, especially for the Visayas and Mindanao players. So, this is a platform. Kaya dili man tanan makaadtog Manila. Not all are given opportunities. Diba? And, you know, daghan kayo, and Dondon knows that, you know, there's really a lot. So, bisan pag unsa kadaghan, even in Manila, bisag unsa kadaghan, how many leagues we have, it's not enough for players. So, we are just one of the platforms that, you know, will showcase this one. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that, Chairman
Anyway,
Chan.
before we proceed to the question and answer, I'd just like to, you know, we'll patch him live all the way from the US. He is one of the brainchild of the Junior World Showcase. Besides me, myself, and President Ray Alaw and Edmond, we have our SLA Vice President, and who's been running different tournaments. I'd like to introduce our VP for International of SLA, Mr. Eric Quintana. Coach Eric.
Hey, good I think good morning sa Philippines, good morning dyan, good evening here in the US. Actually, we're excited. The international as the vice president of international for Junior World Showcase for SLA. We are here international, excited to come, especially sa napakagandang Cebu province, and we can't wait to be there, guys. And thank you for all the presence of media and sponsors there. We're really grateful to have you. Daghang salamat. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
in this from outside Asia. No.
Just like what I said earlier, we started this off with Filipino by blood. Because yung ibang players are, you know, they have citizen, di ba, doon pinanganak. So, pero ang parents are Filipino. But the 23 under, we make a twist because last year we have 21 under. We take it out. We tried 23 under for this year. It's open to anyone. So, Phil-Am man yan, Kano man yan, you know, it's a showcase edition for the 23 under. But the 13, 15, 17, 19, it must be with Filipino blood. So, they have submitted to us documents that would show that they are, you know, Filipino by blood. Parents is Filipino, either.
Okay, thank you, sir. Another question lang, sir. Who are the founders of the tournament and how it is founded?
The tournament started 2024. It was a brainchild of Mr. Eric Quintana, the Quintana brothers in the U.S. They've been running different tournaments in the U.S., like a 2-3 day tournament of around 200 teams. They've been running that in, you know, they're putting up 20, 30 courts in a certain tournament. So both the Quintana brothers started this idea together with our president, President Ray Alaw, and myself. So we tried it 2024, though it was very struggling for us because we started with that in Pampanga. But come 2025, na fine-tune namin lahat, medyo satisfied ang mga teams. And then, coming 2026, medyo mahaba yung preparation talaga. So, we're very confident that it's going to be an exciting Junior World Showcase.
Good morning, Calvin Cordova from Manila Bulletin. Sir Rocky, you're known to organizing amateur leagues, Vismin Super League, the PSL. But what made you decide to shift to organizing grassroots leagues? And second question is, will the games be open for free to the public?
Okay, yeah. I know you guys are very familiar. We started with Vismin, with PSL. Dito naman, we have different tournaments that we're running. In Manila, we're running 40 up. We have running 45 up tournaments. Before, we run different 19 under, 21 under. And then currently, we're running the interagency we just finished our DOJ interagency tournament. And we're upcoming with the interagency for national governments. So, and we also do some tournaments for different LGUs. So, basically from the start naman talagang grassroots eh. That's where our direction is. This is our main idea of promoting grassroots. Lalo na sa part na ko. I'm very into, providing a platform talaga, especially for the Visayas and Mindanao. Because Manila has a lot of opportunities for kids. But those in the Visayas and Mindanao, you guys can attest na limited kayo ang mga liga. Diba? And, we just want to showcase these kids in a additional platform lang tayo. We're not gauging ourselves now we're on top or together with the different leagues. Actually, what excites us, even last year, we top different leagues. I can mention NYBL, UBL, Passion, Coach Rob Labagala. And we're doing good collaboration with that. Because I was telling them, this is the opportunity na to level up. You're playing, nagpaliga kayo, but after that one, what's next? So, by this year, we're coming up with something also. We're gonna start with Visayas Mindanao also. Para showcase of grassroots talent. So, that's the idea talaga. We're trying to develop or discover future players also. Di matagaag chance because, going to Manila, it's quite expensive. Scholarship ka, limited ra po ang mga slots. Or if you get scholarships, but you don't have playing time, bangko ragyapong ka, di ba? So, at least there's another platform that, you don't need to go to Manila. And what's in store for, what's up with SLA is because we have our own platform. Okay? We have our own production team led by our production head, us. So, naatay kaugalingong OB van sa Manila, and we also have a partner, cable partner that this year we will launch our SLA 24-hour channel. We're putting up content and hopefully local tournaments also will be featured on that channel. So, mao lang na. Thank you.
Thank you for that, Chairman Chan. Do we have any other questions from our media?
Yeah, all the games, all the venues are free. We're not charging anything. Okay? So from the opening down to the last day of the championship, everything is free. So we're inviting everyone to join us and watch the world play, okay?
Good morning to everyone. I am Laura Barreto, and in behalf of some of the basketball fans, I would like to ask the Vice President International of Affairs, Mr. Eric Quintana, paano po nag-prepare yung mga players po natin dyan sa international sa paparating po natin na liga this coming July?
In international, we have several tournaments that we're having before our tournament that's up and coming there in Cebu. We have tournament in Las Vegas. We have here tournament in DC. We have tournament in Virginia Beach, and we have tournament in New York. So most of the players that we assembled, binubuo namin sila to prepare, to practice, and to expose in this tournaments na meron kami, we already been doing since for the past 15 years. So we encourage everyone before going to Philippines na ma-expose or makapag-join dito sa mga tournament na meron kami dito sa US. For the London, I think they've been doing practicing in UK. Practicing, they're actually recruiting players from several cities in UK. And as for Dubai, they have some grassroots organizations there that already been holding leagues and tournament to prepare para pagdating sa Cebu, medyo jet lag na lang siguro ang i-worry namin. But hopefully, we're fit enough to compete. And again, alam nyo naman, isa sa mga mecca ng tournaments and basketball ang Cebu. So we've been preparing and we're sure that we'll be ready come to July.
You here po. Last lang po, ano po yung message nyo? Naghihintay po sa inyo dito makita yung laro nyo po this coming July.
We'll do our best, na hindi naman kami mapahiya because one of the things that we worried about, alam naman natin kung anong meron sa Cebu pagdating sa basketball. So most of a lot of our PBA players, Hall of Famers came from Cebu. So, but good thing about it is like much more excited kami because almost like 65 to 70% na mga dadali naming delegations all over the world it's either they're from Cebu or they're Visayan. So pretty much sure mas excited sila more than we do because they're coming back to their hometown to showcase their talent in front of their own city.
I'm Mine Newman from Manila Standard. I have two questions. First question is, what are the benefits of participating in the SLA Junior World Showcase for everyone, for the organization, for the youth, for the sponsors? The second question is, what kind of support did you get or have you gotten from the Philippine government, from the national, regional, and the local government units? Is it financial, moral, emotional? That's for the national government. How about the Department of Tourism? What have they done to the organization? Because you are promoting sports tourism. Thank you.
Yes, good morning. Unang-una, syempre, ang magagawa ni Sinag Liga Asia sa mga mag-e-entry dito na mga taga-ibang bansa or other country is ma-showcase nila yung talent nila. Kasi may mga scout tayo dito sa Sinag Liga Asia ng mga other school from UAAP and NCAA. Like our first Junior World Showcase, saka second, marami ng mga taga-US na naglalaro ngayon sa mga other school. Bukod doon, ang maganda doon, yung mga Visayas and Mindanao na sumasali sa Junior World Showcase naman, yung talent nila, hindi na kailangan pumunta sa Maynila. Dito pa lang sa Sinag, may kita na. Kasi may partner tayo na PTV4, Cable Link, saka yung Converge. Bali, yun ang nagagawa ng Sinag Liga Asia sa mga nag-entry or sumasali sa Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase. Yung support naman, si Chairman.
Tawa si Mamo. Anyway, yeah, in terms of support, of course, like what you see here, our local sponsors that we have. Of course, as you well all know, hosting an international, this big kind of event, an international one, it really costs a lot. But, you know, we've been trying our best to tap sponsors. So, we're live right now, so baka may mga sponsors dyan. It's very much welcome. But, of course, yeah, we have in talks with the Department of Tourism, with Secretary Frasco, a few months back, last year, I think, last year. So there are commitments already on how they can help out the best that they can in the arrivals of our visitors, our delegates. And we're also trying to get in touch with the Philippine Sports Commission. But they've been supporting this tournament for the past 2 years. And hopefully other government agencies would get the chance to see what we are offering on the table, that we're running it for the past 3 years, the 3rd year now. And but of course, ulitin ko, Senator Bongo has been very, very supportive to this program. and we're just so happy with his support with us. Even the last minute call for the press con, actually, I was able to bring a representative here. And of course, but the private sector plays an important role. Each and every one, even you media people, you will play a vital role, and hopefully you can come during the games and feature it, because we're trying to help our young athletes, especially local athletes. So yeah, we're open to any support that we can have for this tournament. Okay, yeah. They have a registration fee, but it's very minimal. Because, number one, especially the international teams, they're spending for their airfare, their hotel, their food, diba, during their stay. So we can charge them that much. So that's why we're trying to get sponsors to help cover some of our expenses. Because we'll be flying in, we'll be getting manpower. Just to let you know, everyone, all the venues, all the games will be covered live. So you can choose which court you want to play, watch. So all the games are live. So that makes it more expensive. So, but you know, ito yun eh. This is how we run things. This is how we can showcase everyone.
File. Yes. Actually, ang status natin dito sa basketball, lalo na sa mga grassroots, kailangan natin sila bigyan ng magandang system. Siyempre, we want to build players na para makakompete din sa leagues. And lalo na sa mga pro leagues natin like PBA or yung Gilas Pilipinas natin, makasama rin sila ron. Kaya we're trying to these grassroots players, we're trying to build and siguro train natin sila na to have a new system na sa basketball, not like playing just para sa mga barangay levels. Diba po? Ayun po. Kaya itong ginagawa po naming SLA para po maka-build po tayo mga players and makapunta rin sila sa Manila. Kasi yung Manila program po is maganda. Pero kung ma-introduce natin sila yung Manila program dito sa Visayas, mas maganda kasi para pag-compete natin sa mga ibang liga is maganda at panoorin. Yun po.
Thank you so much for that. Do we have any other questions from the media?
Good morning. I'm Bernie Mascarinho from Cebu Upcoming Events. So my question is, how will Sinag Liga Asia ensure player safety and health during the tournament?
Yeah, that's why we're coming in there, you know, tapping also the LGU. So all the game venues will have, you know, first aid, assistance. The ambulance are there. All the venues. So we will try to ensure that everything is safe. That's why we did an ocular when we arrived on the 16th. We did ocular on the venues to ensure that, you know, the floorings are in good, you know, safety. And that's why we're still finalizing it with Sawang Calero. But I think they're doing renovations in the coming days. So is Mandaue Sports. So we'll ensure that everyone is safe. praise God that the past 2 years we didn't have some major incidents during the duration of the tournament.
Good morning, Aileen Navarro from SMNI DYAR. To Sir Ray Alaw, how does SLA ensure transparency, professionalism, and international standard tournament management on this event?
Yes, ma'am. Bali ang standard kasi ng Sinagliga Asia, tinap namin yung officiating natin na SBP. Yan, tapos tutulungan nila yung mga local official dito sa Cebu para ma-maintain namin na mas maganda yung mga ipakita ng mga official table, official rep, then yung mga live natin para klaro ba na maayos kasi yung mga other country, yun ang gusto nila ma-experience yung physicality dito sa Cebu, yung physicality sa Pilipinas. So, mag-a-adjust yung mga official natin na hindi lambutan yung mga call. Which is mas maganda kung makita ng mga PhilAm or mga taga-Europe na iba dito compare sa mga liga nila doon. Yun yung standard na tinitingnan namin isa.
Meron bang collaboration or meron bang officiating team din from other countries dito sa tournament na ito o pure sa inyo manggagaling yung officiating team?
Yes ma'am, lahat from Philippines. Yung ano naman, bali may inaayos kami na 11 country. Ilalabas namin yan I think next week sa tulong ng mga kaibigan namin ni Chairman Rocky at ni EJ Pile, mga sponsor na nandito. Magiging successful yon. Pero next week pa yon, iba naman na balita yon.
Yeah, in terms of officiating, we're tapping SBP. It will be led by our technical supervisor, Ray Cañete, but we're bringing in Manila referees also for the tournament. So, just to have fair and, maayos na patakbo ng tournament. So, rest assured, in terms naman of officiating, it's well taken care of and fair lang ang magiging competition.
Thank you, sir. Kay Sir EJ File, what international basketball standards or rules will be adopted in this event?
FIBA standard tayo, ate.
Can you expound yung FIBA standards, sir, for the sake of others?
Sige, I'll add on to that. Yes. Okay, in terms of based tayo FIBA rules, but there are some house rules like for every game, we're running an 8-minute na time instead of 10 minutes. We're running 8 minutes because quite a number of teams And then yung isa pa, yung coaches challenge, we will only allow the coaches to have one challenge in the entire game. Okay? Kasi pag pa-review ng pa-review, lalong hahaba yung tournament Because we're trying to look at around 1.5 hour lang yung isang game. If ever, lesser pa. So, just to squeeze out our time, because it's gonna be a draining day for all our personnels running, 7 to 8 games per venue per day during the next 3 days of that elimination. So, each team kasi is guaranteed 5 games Okay? So, those teams nga, those ang bracket, they'll be divided into 2 groups. So, yun. That's how not much on changes dun sa officiating or house rules. FIBA standard tayo.
Okay, thank you so much for that. Before we proceed with the next question, we just want to hear any last message from Sir Eric Quintana.
Well, again, thank you for all those questions, and I hope we answered. You're satisfied with all the information that we got. Again, thank you so much. We are really excited to see in Cebu. Again, this 2026, this was been planned for almost more than 2 years that we're bringing it there in Cebu, and good thing that we had fortunate enough na mangyari, and we're in behalf of international again here. All of us are excited to be there, and we can't wait to see Cebu. Thank you so much, and daghang salamat. I'm Buntag.
Eric, now we may continue.
Good morning, sir. Carlo Alano of Calami, Cebu, and Run Cebu. So, sir, just clarify lang ako ang tournament format. So, what's the tournament format since now you have 50 teams?
Yeah. Different man atong category, right? So, for example, the 13 under, there are 6 teams. So, single round elimination, and then top 4 knockout. Then, top 2 goes to the finals. Ganun lang. And then same with the bracket. So, that's why i-balance na. Actually, there are more teams coming in pa. Medyo to turn down yun because of the schedules. And we can compromise the games. Na dali on kasi sulod tag teams gantaga. No, we're not doing that. So, based on the schedules, for example, sa 12 teams, we bracket into 6, guaranteed na sila. 5 games. Then, para outright, semis. And then we'll do knockout. Top 2 goes to the finals.
So, sir, mana sa grassroots, we're gonna talk about the showcase ba? Ito yung 23 under. Do you have any idea kinsa na ang teams na and who are the players we can expect, especially for the basketball fans?
Okay, the teams for the 23 under is New York Accent, which is the defending champion. As you well all know, if you're watching the MPBL, is with Abra, Takar Molina. Yeah, he was discovered there at the 23 under. He was supposed to sign up with a collegiate team, but didn't push through. So he's now with the Pro League. So he's a Phil Foreign. And then Rad Cebu, Coach Paul Juven. Then we have WLC Mustangs Ormoc, the Generals Manila, Phenom, and Familia DC, USA. So, notable players, for the other category, I think you're familiar with Chokes Moral. He'll be coming here. He'll be playing for the 19 under. I cannot still involve which team. Dua ka teams yata is trying to get him. But he is committed. And then Andy Gimao. He might come for the 23 under. He'll be coming home. So they're in touch with him already. So other players, notable players, I don't know if our President Ray Alaw is quite have names, but Phenom is bringing in a star-studded yata. So it's gonna be exciting because there's gonna be a 3-point shootout. There's gonna be a slam dunk competition also to highlight the event.
Thank you so much for that, sir. Do we have any other questions from the media?
Point of clarification. How many categories do we have and how long will it take? And what are at stake for the winners?
Again, there are 5 categories. It's 13 under, 15 under, 17, 19, and 23 under. So, actually, may isa kaming isinisingit. We've been discussing this, but we're trying to get told if mag-commit ang teams. It's just to start off. It's the women's 17 under. Pero gina-workout pa namo, there are already 2 teams from international who's interested. We're working out with the local, but if it doesn't push through, probably 2027. So, and then the schedule put medyo kapos because of the venue that we have limited ones. Other questions is what's at stake? How long? Okay, it's a 5-day tournament. 3 days ang elimination. We have the 4th day at the semifinals. Then the 5th day will be the finals. Okay. Each team probably will play around 2 games in a day. 2 games. So, nakanindot lang. We're so happy. For example, 3 Woods. Kay Nara, pag naog na, duha ka court. We cannot use the 3 courts kasi because of our production team. So, we will maximize the middle court for our production. Because all the games is covered live and it's a 3-camera setup for each court. So, in terms of what's at stake, it's pride.
from the start, this is our mindset together with our international partners. No cash prize. No cash prize. It's about pride. It's about showcasing your talent. So, but there's the champion trophy, the champion medals, you know, it's customized with SLA. Yeah, there will be individual awards. There's the best coach, mythical 5 for each category, then MVP, finals MVP. Okay?
Thank you so much for that. Now, we will be entertaining one more question. Do you have any other question from the media? Okay, thank you so much for your question. Everyone, now, as we almost end this event, let's direct our attention one more time to our screen to officially see the official trailer video for the SLA Junior World Showcase 2026.
Sa buong Asya sila'y nag-iisa. Sa lahat ng mga batang basketballista, sila'y nagbibigay ng pag-asa. Sa Luzon, Visaya at sa Mindanao, SLA Junior World Showcase lang ang isinisigaw. We are one para bigyan ng pagkakataon ng mga kabataan. We are one para ilabas ang mga talento nila sa buong Asya. We are one para ipakita kung anong mga kaya nila. SLA Junior World Showcase ay nag-iisa. Lahat ng future stars sa basketball nadi-discover nila. Basta dito sa Sinagliga Asya. Sa laban hindi ka iiwan. Manalo matalo palaging nandyan. Kasi sabi nga nila ay we are one. Kung gusto ninyo makilala ang mga batang magagaling na pasibol pa lang dito sa Silag Asya Liga ka magpunta. Hindi ka lang makakakita ng mga batang star. Makikita mo rin dito ang 3-star and the sun. Na kapag napunta ka ay mapapasabi ka na it's more fun in the Philippines. Lahat ng future stars sa basketball nadi-discover nila. Basta dito sa Sinagliga Asya. Sa laban hindi ka iiwan. Manalo matalo palaging nandyan. Kasi sabi nga nila ay we are one. Sa hirap ay we are one. Sa ginhawa ay we are one. Sa tagumpay ay we are lahat ng future stars sa basketball nadi-discover nila. Basta dito sa Sinagliga Asya. Sa laban hindi ka iiwan. Manalo matalo palaging nandyan. Kasi sabi nga nila ay we are one.
Ladies and gentlemen, gaan sa natong dakong pakpak ang atong trailer video. Now, I want to take this opportunity to also thank our sponsors, VIPs, for being present today. And also, we'd like to thank the partnership that we had into making SLA Junior World Showcase possible. We would like to give thanks to Three Woods Residences, the official residence of the tournament, Sun Sports, Unisol, our LGU partners, our catering services present with us today with refreshments and also very good food, Kaka, and lastly to Fresco, our official pasalubong. Thank you so much once again, and congratulations as we open SLA Junior World Showcase this July. A round of applause, please. Now, I want to give the stage one more time to Mr. Rocky Chan to give the closing remarks.
Yeah. Before anything else, siguro we'll give probably a final word to all our visitors, VIP. We'll start off with Fresco. Jody, any last message to everyone?
We are happy to support this event. Thank you very much for inviting us here.
Thank you. Call on from Iconic, Ma'am Annette Lopez.
Yes, it's an honor and privilege to be part of SLA.
Thank you. Sir TJ.
Okay, so thank you for inviting us. Actually, Attorney Go is coming now. Yeah, so on behalf of Cebu Coliseum, Three Woods, Magnum Sports Complex, thank you.
Yeah, and also from Sunsport, Boss Andrew Chuachoy.
Let's go, SLA.
Thank you, boss. And Phil, Unisol.
Hi, it's Padayan, Cebu. But teamwork is going to make this successful. We need you. We have what we have as a great platform. Let's make it work.
Thank you. And of course, lastly, from the office of Senator Bongo. Any final message? Any final message? Thank you. Actually, that's our request for the past from third year na. So, but I think it's coming. The third year. So anyway, on behalf of us, but of course, ako mismo, I'm thanking all the local media for all the support and our local partners and our local sponsors. Of course, Three Woods Residences and our food for today, Kaka. Thank you very much. I'll give the floor to the host. And also, Attorney Augusto Go is coming. He's on the way also to forge our partnership with them.
Thank you so much for that, Chairman Chan. So to formally close our program for today, may we call on the President of SLA, Mr. Ray Alao, for his closing remarks. A round of applause, please.
Maayong buntag sa tanan. Siyempre, magpapasalamat ako sa mga partner natin sa other country. Carl Ang, Ronnie Ocampo, Ascend, Elmer Ramon, BSA, Joby, Caldeon Husay, Salvi Remeo, Clifton City Tigers, UAE and Dubai, Jem Rigor, Australia, John Catane, Canada, Rod Garcia and Bundalian, Europe, Aled Arcelia, Baltimore, Ed Padilla, Las Vegas, Jay Rivera, Arcol Suntad, Coach Derek Pumaren, Boss Achit Cao, Alpha 7, Vice Governor Delta Pineda, Senator Bongo, siyempre, malaking pasasalamat natin dyan. PSC, DOT, Sinag 40, Sinag 45, interagency natin, government partners, Unisol, Kaka, Sun Sports, Boss June of J Project, Magnum Sports and Three Woods Residence, Alicia, Apartel, PTB4, Cable Link, Converge, Lungsod ng Mandawi, Mayor Wano, and Cebu City, Batch 92 of Franciscan College of Immaculate Conception, Baybay Leyte. Our partners, siyempre, The Quintana Brothers, Edmund and Eric, siyempre sila talaga ang grabe ang effort dito para lalong gumanda at maging successful itong Junior World Showcase natin. Jeff Codera ng Golden State Warriors, siyempre, one and only, Cebuano Hotshot, London Ontiveros, Idol, maraming salamat. Kay Boots Tanghal, sir, thank you sa support sa Sinagliga Asia. General Lee also, sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Sinagliga Asia, mabuhay po kayo. Lalong-lalo na siyempre ang SLA official, sa kayong mainstream and media vloggers natin dito sa Cebu. Mabuhay po kayo at maraming salamat.
Again, see you on July 1 to 5 as we watch the world play. Maraming salamat and good morning, everyone.
Thank you so much for that, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I would like to say thank you to the sponsors being able to really help the SLA Junior World Showcase, Treeswood Residences, Sun Sports, Unisol, our LGU partners, our catering services present today, Kaka, as well as Fresco. Now, at this juncture, we will have our photo opportunity starting with the members in the table.
Sige, paano ba? Tayo.
Tayo po muna.
Si ma'am.
Kayo, ma'am.
Compress.
Compress.
Ano muna? Questions muna. Ma'am, sige, sama mo ito muna. Tapos after nito, friends of the media. Ma'am, dapat kayo EJ ba? Our friends from the media, they join. Ma'am, SLA officials.
Compress daw.
So ano po muna? Media tapos SLA.
Ay, si Ma'am Karina. Wala?
Wala, sir.
We have from... Ayaw, ayaw.
Okay, sige.
Laki mo daw, Jay.
Ilipat ko.
Okay.
Tayo, may mga nanalo, may mga natalo. Ngunit sa bawat laban may bagong natutunan ng pagkakaisa. Ang tunay na panalo sa Sinagliga, lahat tayo ay bida. Sinagliga Asya, ilaw ng pag-asa para sa karamihan. Pangarap na wagas, ito ang liga ko, ito ang liga mo. Tayo'y magkakisa sa tagumpay, sama-sama tayo. Kahit minsan tayo'y naliligaw, sa dilim ng gabi pangarap ay nalalabo. Ngunit sa Sinagliga may bagong pag-asa, tayo'y magtulungan upang makamit ang ligaya. Sinagliga
Sila'y nagbibigay ng pag-asa sa Luzon, Visaya at sa Mindanao. SLA Junior World Showcase lang ang isinisigaw. We are one para bigyan ng pagkakataon ng mga kabataan. We are one para ilabas ang mga talento nila sa buong Asya. We are one para ipakita kung anong mga kaya nila. SLA Junior World Showcase ay nag-iisa. Lahat ng future stars sa basketball nadi-discover nila. Basta dito sa Sinagliga Asya, sa laban hindi ka iiwan. Manalo matalo ka laging nandyan, kasi sabi nga nila ay we are one. Kung gusto ninyo makilala ang mga batang magagaling na pasibol pa lang dito sa Silag Asya Liga ka magpunta, hindi ka lang makakakita ng mga batang star. Makikita mo rin dito ang 3-star and the